Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a Hearty Ham Quesadilla. All right, as you can see here, I've got my quesadilla loaded up with ham, bacon, and of course cheese, and some onions. Then we're going to fold this over and take this to the griddle. Of course, make sure you butter your quesadillas just for that little bit of crispy. Just that little bit of crispy. All right, as you can see there, the butter gives it that nice golden brown crust. And basically about 2 minutes aside, and we should be ready to cut. All right, let's jump ahead in time a little bit. All right, pretty much the only thing left to do is to carve up our quesadilla. And that's really it. A Hearty Ham Quesadilla. Done. Really, this is more of nothing you'd actually go out, but if you had a little bit of ham left over, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, excellent way to use up leftovers. But it's a Hearty Ham Quesadilla, and it's done.